In primetime news this evening, Oberlin Omen, a student recounts spiritual experience despite being absent from chaotic devotion. Bishop assess Oberlin episode as ministry assess the future of school devotions. And public sector teachers furious as monthly salaries are late again.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. The cost to produce goods in the manufacturing sector declined in the month of September. I'll tell you by how much later on.
All right, and from Javon, we go to Karen. She'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, there's an elephant in the room. One former U.S. collegiate athlete shines a light on why there's been an increase in the number of student athletes taking up overseas scholarships. More in a TVJ Sports special feature later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: are you satisfied with how devotion is carried out in schools? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.